People say Ninja Man and my father and they don't believe me. We look alike, and that's how we look alike. Look. I'm a father in a real life. I swear I'm a father in a real life. No capping, I'm a father in a real life. Him just disown me because he did tell my mother say, my mother give him jacket. I'm a father. The boy just disowned me. I'm a father for real.
It seems like Ninja Man saw the clip and he went ahead and wrote a letter to address this situation. Check it out. This is a letter.
Before we get into the letter, you hear him address Ninja Man, the boy? Him writing? No, sir. Ninja Man gonna dog him up. Anyways, big up to the subscriber and the big Ninja Man fan that saw me in the supermarket. We don't have to say where or the name of the supermarket. Yeah, man, big up yourself, family, and big up the rest of subscribers and viewers who not subscribe. Manners and respect.